Hi, my name is Ranjan Majumder. After a long day, I am going to create a new tutorial on pseudo classes. So let us start the tutorial using an example. Here you can see this is the blank HTML and this is also the blank CSS. Here I am using embed abbreviation, pressing enter. At first I am using the CSS file. For using a CSS file, a developer should use link equals to style sheet href equals to style.css. You can style.css is the CSS file name. I am using list. Write a list. A developer should use UL, and within UL, this means unordered list. UL means unordered list. Dhotre, Tunglu, this is the famous destination of Darjeeling district, West Bengal. I am saving it and opening the web page. You can see by default bullet is disk. I am going to change the bullet style. How can I change? Here it is UL. So I am going to write the CSS using the element. Here I am using list style type. By default it is disk. Bullet style has changed. Now, if a developer wants to hide the bullet style, then he or she should use none. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see bullet is not visible in this example. Now a developer can use disk as bullet. So by default the bullet style is disk. Now it is disk. Same way, a developer can set list inside or outside. To set a list inside or outside, a developer should use list style position. Here I am using inside. By default the list style position is outside. I am saving it and refresh it. You can see the effect. It is inside now. If a developer use outside and save it and refresh the web page, you can see the list style position is outside now. A developer can use shorthand property. That means a developer can join these two properties and use a single property. Here I am just commenting this section. I am using only list style. This is shorthand property, combination of two properties, list style type and list style position. Here I am using inside as list style position and square as list style type. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see bullet style has been changed into square and it is inside now. The list style position is inside now. A developer can change the bullet style. Here you can see by default bullet style is disk. Now it is square. So developer can change the bullet style using customized image. Here I am using list style image and I am using URL function. Here you can see, so I want to change the bullet style into smile faces and the type is PNG. So here I am writing smile.png. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the bullet style has been changed into smiley face. So this is the basic list. I have shown. Now I am going to show pseudo classes. What is pseudo class? Link, visited, hover, active, focus, first child, end child, before, after. These all are the examples of pseudo classes. So at first I am showing you the practical, then you will understand the definition of pseudo classes. In pseudo classes, I am using anchor tag. AHREA as symbol I am using. Okay, I am cutting it and pasting here. I am saving it. Here you can see this is anchor tag. By default, if I save it and refresh it, you can see by default color is blue. Change the color of a list index or li. We basically use link pseudo class. Here I am using link pseudo class. I am using a property of CSS that is color green. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see by default color was green and it is not changing. Why? A developer should keep in memory that link color shown for once, then link color will disappear. To show the link color, here I am using history cleaner. I am just cleaning the history. Now you can see the link color. Link color is green. You can see the link color. If I click on the link color, you can see the link color is the by default color of link. Now I am using another pseudo class. Here I am using visited. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the color is changing to pink because I have already clicked on Tonglu, then the link is visited. That is the reason the color of this list index has been changed into pink color. Now I am using hover pseudo class. Here I am using color red. I am saving it. If I hover on a list index, okay, it is not changing. If I refresh it, you can see the color is changing into red. So hover means if your cursor on any of the list index, then the color of the list index will be changed. Now the hover color is red. I think you have understood. I am using another property, another pseudo class, a active. That is active pseudo class, black. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see if I click a list index, you can see the color. At the time of clicking the list index, you can see the color is changing into black because the active pseudo class color is black. So whenever a developer click on a list index, you can see the color is changing. That is called active class, active pseudo class. I am using another pseudo class that is first child. So here you can see UL, li are the childs of UL. So I am using UL first child. Color crimson. I am taking crimson as color, saving it and refresh the web page. So it is not changing. I am just erasing this all things, all properties, all pseudo classes. I am erasing that part also. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the crimson. Okay, it is not working, I think. I am using li here and saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the bullet color has been changed into crimson. If I magnify the web page, you can see the effect. So this is first child of li. That is the reason the color of first child has been changed into crimson. Now I am using another element to show the other pseudo classes. Here I am using p and I am pasting a text here. This text is Dhotre is a small hamlet of Darjeeling. It is located in West Bengal. I am saving it and here I am using p with colon 200 px font size 20 px. I am saving it and refresh the web page. Here I reduce the magnifier using control minus. So control plus is used to increase the magnifier and control minus is used to decrease the magnifier. Here you can see the width of p element is 200 px and font size is 20 px. So you can see the effect here. Suppose the developer wants to change the color of first line, then the developer should use pColumn first line. Suppose I am going to change into red. The color of first line will be red. If I refresh it, you can see the color is changing. Now I want to change the first word, first letter. Change the color of first letter. Here I am using color green. Saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the color has been changed into the first letter is green color now. So first line and first letter, these two are important pseudo class in case of text. Here I am using another pseudo class, that is LastChild. Color colon, I am taking dark yarn. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the LastChild, the bullet of LastChild has been changed into dark cyan. So remember, in case of first child and last child pseudo classes, the color of bullet will change, the color of text will not change. I have forgotten one thing to tell to all of you. This is precedence. Remember, in pseudo classes, a hover holds the higher precedence than a link and a visited, whereas a link and a visited holds the equal precedence and a active holds the higher precedence than a hover. So in simple way, a active holds the highest precedence among a hover, a link and a visited. Now the next topic is before and after pseudo classes. So before and after pseudo classes are very important pseudo classes of CSS. Let us try to explain before and after pseudo classes. At first, I am taking a box model with identification A. Now I am commenting all this code. We all know that to define an ID we need to use hash symbol. Here I am using width 100%, height 300 px I am saving it. Refresh the web page. You can see nothing is visible. Here I am using background color red, saving it and refresh the web page. Here you can see there is a gap. I need to fix the margin. To fix the margin, I am using HTML body margin colon 0. Alternatively, a developer can use star margin colon 0, but I have already used HTML body, so I do not need to use star here. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the effect. Here I am using border top left radius 30 px, saving it, and I am refreshing the web page. You can see the effect. Try to create a reverse effect on top right section. How can I create? To show the reverse effect on top right side, we need to use before and after pseudo class. Here I am using a before width 40 px, height 40 px, background color green, top minus 39 px, and position colon absolute. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see, okay, I think there is a mistake. Where is the mistake? Okay, I am using content blank. Here you can see in P box model content is blank. Here in before pseudo class I have used content, but the content is blank. If I save it and refresh it, you can see the effect here. Okay, here I am using skew transform. This means I want to skew the element P. I want to skew the P element, that's mean P box model, according to Y axis. Here I am using 2 degree. You can see this is a small project. Okay, you can see the effect here. So if a developer wants to create a content using before pseudo class, then the developer should write such type of codes or such type of properties using before pseudo class. Now I want to shift this content to right side. How can I shift the content to right side? Right column 0. If I save it and refreshing the web page, you can see the content is right aligned now. Okay, now I am setting the color to red. I am saving it and refresh it. Now you can see this two color is merging and showing a single element. Although these two are not single element, these two are different element. Element means these two are different content. Here I am using another pseudo class that is after, using content colon. If a developer do not use content, then nothing will show. You can see the element is disappearing now. So to show an element using before class, we need to use content. The same way I am going to create another element or another content using after pseudo class. Here I am using width 80px, height 80px. I think I did a mistake here. I should use semicolon in the place of comma. Border, I want to make a circle using after pseudo class. Border 80px. So all the parameters value should be 80 to draw a circle. Top minus 80px. Background color green. At first I am setting the background color as green. Later I will change into white. Now then you can understand the effect. I am saving it, and here I am using ZIndex colon -1, and here I am using ZIndex colon -2. I think in my previous tutorial I explained ZIndex property, and one thing I need to use here, I have used position absolute. The same thing same property I am writing here, position absolute. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see. So I am using right colon 0. Here I need to use border radius. Saving it and refresh it. Okay, you can see the effect. You can see that this is circle now, and now I am setting the color. You can see here ZIndex -1 and ZIndex -2. So the circle content is over the rectangular content, because here I have used ZIndex -2. Here the circle ZIndex is greater than the ZIndex of rectangle, so circle content will show over the rectangular content. Now I am replacing the background color of circle content to white. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see a reverse effect here. Look at the reverse effect that I was going to mention that time. This type of effect, look at my cursor, this type of effect can be done using border radius, border top left radius, and the reverse effect can be done using two element ZIndex and background color, and in that case we should use pseudo classes. So you can understand before and after, pseudo classes are very important pseudo classes of CSS. So I think you all have liked this tutorial. If you like the tutorial, please press the like button. If you have any query or questions, please comment me. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel and share this tutorial among your friends and colleagues. Thank you.